Hi, nice to see you back. Let's start making this beautiful dessert today. It's very simple, yummy, and beautiful looking. So let's get started. The beautiful color and the flavor of this dessert comes from none other than a dragon fruit. I'll be cleaning and removing the skin off of it, and be only using half of the dragon fruit. That much is enough for half a liter of milk to get the beautiful color. I'll be just chopping it roughly so it's easy to puree it. So I'll be using just half of it. I'll put it in the normal mixie jar and blend it 2-3 times and gets a fine puree quickly. So this is how it is after grinding. We'll be using this later. All the ingredients are mentioned in the description box below. Here I have a half liter milk boiled and kept at room temperature. To this I'll be adding 100 grams sugar or 6 tablespoons sugar. And this I'm taking agar or China grass. It's commonly known as China grass. You get in a 7-gram packet like these. You can use a whole packet for half a liter. I'll keep this China grass in the milk for around 15 to 20 minutes till it soaks up and become a little bit soft, so it's easier to dissolve later. So I'm just mixing it with the milk so that I absorb a little bit milk and get a little fluffy later. Just cover with a lid and keep it around for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can see that it has become a little bit soft. So we'll start cooking this now for a total of 15 to 20 minutes. Keep stirring it continuously so that it does not get burned. You can also use a non-stick pan for stirring it. I have taken a steel vessel. You can use any vessels which you have. Already make sure that keep on stirring it so that it doesn't settle down and get burned. So now you'll be able to see that it's almost getting boiled. We're getting the first boil. We'll have to continue cooking even after this. Simmer the milk on low flame and gradually the China grass will start melting. Once the China grass gets melted, we will be adding the dragon fruit puree which we had prepared earlier. I'll be adding little of it first and I'll stir in quickly. Now we'll be adding the rest of the dragon fruit puree and give it a nice mix so everything is combined well. Keep stirring at this moment also, and after simmering for 1 or 2 minutes, we'll switch off the flame. You can have a closer look at the beautiful color the China grass has got from the dragon fruit. The natural color and flavor which makes this dessert very tasty. It's been about 3 minutes now after adding the dragon fruit puree. I'll be switching off the flame and keeping it to cool down. I've taken an aluminum mold over here. It's basically a cake tin. You can take whichever mold you have or whichever shape you desire and pour in the mixture when it's still hot and leave it at room temperature so it cools down a bit before putting it in the fridge. Our mixture is cooled down. Now I'll be keeping it in the fridge for 2 hours so it firms up well and we get good slices out of it. So it's 2 hours and I've removed it out from the fridge. It's firmed up well, and let's cut it now into pieces. I'll just run a knife through from the sides so we're able to release it easily from the tin. I wanted to make sure that we get perfect slices, so I've kept it for 2 hours in the fridge. You can, however, keep it for lesser time if you desire to eat it early. Now I'll place a plate or a platter on top of it and flip it over. Now we'll tap the cake tin so that the china grass comes out easily. There you are. Perfect. Now let's slice it. Isn't the color looking so beautiful and gorgeous? This is one dessert which you can have it any time of the year. Be it birthday, party, or just feel like having something cool. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do subscribe if you haven't so you can catch up with the latest videos I put up on my channel. Thank you for watching and stay tuned till the next video. Bye.